You will now see an interaction between Camilla and her colleague Lucy. Pay attention to how Lucy describes her typical day at work.
Okay, I will. Okay, bye. Camila, Gabriella wants me to explain an ordinary working day to help you understand more about your job and how this department works.
Great, that will be useful.
Okay, so every day I arrive at 8 a.m. We don't start until 8:30, but I like to have a cup of coffee and relax first. At the start of the day, I always check my emails and answer the most important ones. We receive hundreds of emails a day, so it can take a long time.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, and we also receive many phone calls from our clients. I spend hours each day making and answering calls. Then, after answering emails, we usually have a team meeting to discuss our clients. We talk about any problems we have, we plan projects, and we brainstorm ideas together. It's always really useful.
Yes, that sounds interesting. Do we have a meeting today?
Yes, today's meeting is at 11 a.m. in meeting room 2. You can come with me. After the meeting, we have lunch for 1 hour from 1 to 2 p.m. There's a cafeteria where many people go to chat and eat lunch. Sometimes I don't go to the cafeteria, but we can go today so I can introduce you to more people.
Okay, great.
After lunch, I return to the office to make calls to organize appointments with clients. I usually attend 2 or 3 appointments a week outside of the office.
Really?
Yes, in the afternoon, I also need to prepare presentations for our clients and my managers. This can take a long time because the presentations need to be perfect. I use ideas from our team meeting to help me. And finally, for the rest of the afternoon, I send and reply to emails and make more phone calls.
What time do you finish work?
I usually leave the office at 6 p.m., except on Fridays when we finish at 4 p.m. Sometimes we stay later to work on a project, but I never stay longer than 8 p.m. I also sometimes work from home on the weekends.
You have a very busy schedule.
Yes, we are always very busy, but I like to take short breaks during the day. I like to leave my office and talk with colleagues for 10 minutes, and then I return and I focus. It's a lot of work, but I love my job.